Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix that problem you have or figure out the solution on your WhatsApp. You will just click here on settings, then you come here to settings window here and this is window. You will just go down and you will click here on apps. Then you come to apps window here like you say and you will go down here to looking for WhatsApp app here and this is window and you will just go down and we will click here on WhatsApp. Then we come to next window here or app info. We will click here on for stop. Then we will click here on OK. And you just go down. You will click here on storage. Then you come to storage window. You will click here on clear cache. Then you will click here on clear data. And you just go to Play Store and update your WhatsApp app. And it's going to work with you. So that's all now. I wish now you are get it. You just follow this is way and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe, and see you in next video.